Hello, welcome back to the channel. Saturday again, and today we're at Ballycastle Forest. We're going to tackle Knocklayd, and we've just parked at the trailhead here. Something different for us today. We've never been up around this direction. It's part of the Moyle Way as well. The ground's a bit wet at the moment. There has been a few plumpings of rain. As we were coming up the road, we could see it on top of the hills around us. So the boots are on today, not the trail runners. We'll take it from here and we'll hit the trail. Behind me is the summit, 514 metres. It's the last of the Antrim Hills before the sea, out towards Rathlin Island. And beyond, Stephen's powered on. If you watch the videos, you do get to know that he powers on. He likes to get up there, see the views. A few grey clouds again coming in. Just coming out of the forest really, I think it is here. I haven't really done much research in this one. I'm just going to sort of play up a first impressions sort of thing today. Just came through the wee gate there, farm gate, fair head away in the distance. Forest was always on the left hand side. I'm not too sure if the microphone picked that up there. Sounds like the wind's picking up and around there. I just think basically we follow this wall up to the ridgeline, which I think might be a false summit, and then there's a wee bit more after that there. First real views of the day. Let me see. This here, way in the distance, is Campbelltown in Scotland. So it is. So nice views already. So that's where we came through. We've obviously cut a wee bit in the fence for the walkers. We were sort of going to go up there maybe for a style, but so holding the fence again out towards Rathlin Island. You can see the wee ferry nipping out across. No sign of the rain yet, fingers crossed. I think I spoke too soon about the rain. You can see it in the distance. See it coming in this way. Straight ahead. Doesn't seem too bad where we're going, but I think we're going to get Definite downpour soon enough. There we go, summit of Knocklayd, and it's turned absolutely miserable. 1.25 mile from the car park up, not even going to stand about. Going to hit the trail again, back into the forest and maybe get some lunch there. Catch us down there. Rathlin Island being absolutely swallowed up there by a rain cloud. Far ahead in the distance. Still see a wee bit of Campbelltown, but absolutely miserable. It's amazing what a drop in elevation does. There's hardly a breeze down here. But I do think we're just going to go probably straight back to the car now, get our sandwiches and stuff. Fair ahead is getting an absolute battering now. As Stephen said, I think we were just maybe in the eye of the storm. Both sides were getting it and we were just standing there. Not too bad. But nice enough hill. Didn't really look much behind us on the way up. But lovely views into the Ballycastle forest. I'm not too sure if that's Ballycastle forest as well. I'm pretty sure it is probably. Very nice. That's the first Antrim Hills done. Knocklayd. Let's see. 2.75 mile. 1 hour 37 minutes. It's not too bad. We didn't stop at the top or anything, so up and down, in and out sort of walk. You maybe got a couple more trails in through the forest and stuff. But nice enough morning, apart from the weather at the top, obviously, at the summit. But sod's law, the sun's trying to come out now. Or we just sit here and get some sort of lunch, and then we'll head on to our next adventure, which is probably already up on the channel, so I'll put a wee link up here to it. I'll see you all night next week, hopefully.